Now please share that with other friends. The more friends you share with, the bigger discounts you get and the less money I have to spend on your wigs and extensions.
Sally, come see. I just saved $10.
Oh, really?
Yes.
What are you doing?
I just saved $10 on hair extensions and all I had to do was share.
Woo! Really?
Yes.
Let's do it together.
Let's save money.
Hello, Hair World. Happy holidays. It is an amazing time of the year for you to be able to share with your friends and family an amazing game that we have created. This game will save you money. Save, save, save. It will allow you to get discounts on all of our high quality products, from wigs to bundles. Let me show you quickly on the website how you can receive these discounts and save money. To save money this holiday season, you're just going to go to our website, Msbeauty.com. You're going to go to www.Msbeautyhair.com. Choose any of our items by simply clicking. When you get to the item that you want, you click on it. You'll see here a list of items. Choose the item you want. Go down to the add to cart. Once deleted, you will see share now for discount. You click. You will have to put your email inside. So here, you'll be able to share on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram with any of your friends or family.